It's Penny and the professor. Here's Penny.
Hey Penny, what are you doing? Penny. The kids are over there. Penny, the kids are up there. I'm not sure what she's doing. Oh, she has a picture in her lap. What is this? Oh, is that what you're looking at? Okay. I know, it's super important. So Penny's looking at her picture, one of the pictures she put in the sequencing of the last video that we did. And she was looking at the one with the soup kitchen and looking at all the details in this picture. Because Crafty was asking us just the other day, weren't you, Crafty? Crafty was saying, why is adding details important? And what is a detail anyways? So I answered for them. A detail is a very important piece of information that gives us more and helps us understand the text better. So it could be in the words or it could be in the picture. And in this picture that she's looking at of the soup kitchen, there are a lot of details in this. Oh, you still not sure what I mean? Okay, well, let's look at this picture of a bus. I have a picture of a bus I drew. It's pretty plain, but let's check out this picture. Pretty detailed, right? Not very detailed. We don't know if it's a school bus. We don't know if it's a city bus, like in Last Stop on Market Street. We don't know if it's a tour bus for a band. What kind of bus is it? We can tell it's a bus. We don't know what kind it is. We don't have any details about where it is, what people are doing inside of it, if there's people inside of it, if somebody just lives in it, like if it's their house. I don't know. We don't know. So let me add some more details to help us understand more what I'm thinking for my picture. Does that help? Now we can see that there are people in the bus, that the bus says city bus on the side, so we know it's a city bus that's driving people around. You can see lots of details of people inside doing some things. It's not colored yet because I'm trying to, get this done kind of quickly for you guys, but you can tell a lot more when we add details. It's kind of like when we were talking about sensory adjectives and we would say how something smells or how something tastes. We would make it more interesting by adding those details and using our sensory adjectives. Well, this bus is now not just the bus, it's the city bus. It's not just empty, it's the bus full of people going somewhere in the city. Makes it much more interesting and more detailed. And you can add details to a picture, or you can add details to the words to make it more interesting. So in our book, I wanted to look at how the author adds details to the words, because we can see very plainly that the illustrator adds all kinds of details to the pictures. But let's see how our author adds details to the words. I'm going to turn to page 7 and 8 in my book, which looks like this. I'll put it up here on the board. And in this part of the book, it says, it sighed and sagged and the doors swung open. It sighed and sagged and the door swung open. The bus creaked to a stop in front of them. It sighed and sagged and the doors swung open. So who or what is creaking and sighing and sagging? That's right, the bus. So do you hear how those details made you know more about the bus? Is this a brand new, perfect bus? When they say it creaked to a stop and it sighed and sagged as it came to a stop when the door swung open. Does that make you think this is a brand new bus, or does it make you think it's kind of old and tired? That's right, it's kind of an older bus, and the author uses those words to explain how it's kind of sagging and creaking and making those older bus noises. So see, with the words, they can make it seem more detailed and more interesting and more important, which is really cool. So today we're going to use our response journals, and I want you to practice adding details to a picture. So I'm not going to ask you to add details to a words in writing yet. But what I'd like you to do is find your next page in your journal. So just whip it open to that next blank page. And don't worry, I'm getting you new journals soon, since we're getting closer to the end of those. And what I'd like you to do is draw a picture of yourself. So if I were going to draw a picture of myself today, I would need to make sure that I put that I have hot pink hair, that I'm wearing butterfly earrings, that I have a butterfly necklace on, that I have braids in my hair. Maybe if I'm wearing a purple shirt with a butterfly on it. I want you to add as many details as you can. What color are your eyes? What color is your hair? What color are your pants? Are you wearing a dress? Are you wearing shoes? Are you wearing makeup? Are you wearing jewelry? Do you have anything with you? You know, would I draw a penny with me? Maybe. So draw a picture of yourself with as much detail as possible to show us how interesting you are. We can't wait to see your detailed drawings in your journals. Have an amazing day, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.